Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install WinZip on your Windows 10 operating system. First we open up our web browser, go to the winzip.com website. On the main page there are two buttons, Try It Free and Buy Now. We are going to download from the Try It Free. Click on the button. It downloads a preloader. I'll click on it and run the file. I say next. License agreement, next. It starts downloading WinZip. I go and close this web screen. WinZip is installing. WinZip has finished installing. I click Finish. I close this web page. Notice I have the shortcut for WinZip on my desktop, and also I had 3 files, zip, 7-zip and RAR files on my desktop. They changed icons. They are recognized by the WinZip program. This screen is the WinZip registration screen. You can use it for 21 days for free. I close this. I double click on the zip file. While opening, it shows you this window. Click on Use Evaluation Version. Close this screen. Now it is asking me what to do with the zip file that I had just double clicked. I can unzip to a directory, unzip files to a folder I choose. Desktop. I create a new folder, test1. Go inside folder, unzip. All my files are unzipped under test folder. When we look at test folder, I see my files, they are unzipped. If I want to compress some files, I can choose my files, right click, and I have the menu here, says zip and share. From this menu, add move to zip file. This is the shortest way, add to test1 zip. When I click on it, it will put them into one file. Again, say use evaluation version. Okay, it zipped all my files. Here I see my test1 zip. Double click on it to see the files inside. Use evaluation version. It's asking me what to do with the file. So this is how you install and use WinZip. Thank you for watching and see you next time.